Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be removing our old naturally aspirated setup on the Miata, and we're going to be replacing it with the infamous eBay turbo kit. We're going to get a day ahead of ourselves and we're going to strip the whole exhaust system off tonight. Tomorrow the kit comes in. I think I'm going to shoot it with some paint the turbo, paint the manifold, so it looks clean and not super ugly in the engine bay. Just kind of make it a bit more stealth. Anyway, we're gonna be stripping the entire exhaust system on that's been on here for I don't know how long, since December. And yeah, so anyway, let's get right into that. Whew. All right, the turbo kit has finally showed up. I guess it's time to unbox it with the super JDM knife, as you can see. Okay. Oh my goodness, there's just loads of parts in here. Okay, there's a coupling. Random. Is this? Dang, that's a lot of. Oh, this is intercooler piping. Okay, sick. Braided hoses already, with oil lines and T's and all this good stuff. Pretty sure this is like 6 AN. Feels pretty good, nothing too terrible. Dang, okay. Oh geez. Alright, it's out of the box. Coupling again. Pretty sure this is 10 AN lines for oil drain. A lot of intercooler piping. Nothing there. Nothing there. I wonder if you have to cut this to size, or else they pre-bent it or whatever. Anyway, there's just a lot of intercooler piping. Rip old exhaust, up for sale. Yep. I'm pretty sure this came with a downpipe for the turbo, but we're just gonna flip that around, make a hood exit. Here is the downpipe. It's actually not terribly welded, I ain't even gonna lie. But what I plan on doing with this is, however it mounts to the turbo, I'm pretty sure it's like this, obviously. I'm just gonna cut from probably right here and just flip this pipe around and weld it so it's a hood exit. Anyway, there is the downpipe. All the hose clamps for the intercooler piping. Blow-off valve. Oh shoot, really? I didn't even know this came with it. Hella JDM Bob. Gotta run wastegate pressure for the stock clutch, you know, so I don't just slip through it. Here's the blow-off valve. Oh, dude, we're going boosted. I'm actually high-key excited about it. Unreal. This is actually pretty nice stuff, too. I ain't even gonna lie. Whoa, this thing is massive. Jeez. Okay, comes with some springs. Dude, I am high-key excited about this. I have no idea what these are for. I'm gonna need some help from some buddies to install this all. Oh, it looks like manual boost controller. Cool, we got another weird little intake. That should look pretty sick alongside the Miata. Ooh, this is gonna look so sick. What do we put in the front of it? I mean, do we keep the light bar, or is it just an intercooler? We could paint something on this. Make it super ricer, put like HKS on this or something. I don't know. Anyway, gotta put this back in the box so it doesn't get destroyed. Ooh, and for the fun part, the actual turbo. I have a for real yin yang spinny thing, Nagasaki Noisy Boy, you know, Wu-Tang War Whistle here. I am hyped. Oh yeah, Chinese turbos. But aren't they all? Who's it? Max Peating Rods? This is a Max Peating Rod turbo? Oh no, my engine's definitely blowing. Oh shoot. Okay, some gaskets. Put those in the pile, better not lose those. Ooh, the spoolie boy. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh yeah, that's a spoolie boy. What else is in here? Thanks Max Peating Rods for the sick turbo. This right here is gonna be absolutely insane. Okay, don't drop this now. Oh! Dude, what? I thought this came with the cast manifold. What? For the manifold that. Dude. I'm gonna quit playing, dog. I need that manifold. It's supposed to match a valve cover. It should in sunlight, but right now not. I actually got overspray on the hot side of the turbo, so I just hit it with the metal cast red. Called it good. Should look okay. I want to put a little snail sticker on here somewhere, just for a meme. Anyway, with that being said, we cannot install the turbo tonight, or at least put it on the head, because we don't have a manifold. The eBay forgot to ship it out. But anyway, hopefully get back to me soon about the manifold and get that on there. Anyway, this is going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys next week with another one coming out. Hopefully with the install going together, because again, I am waiting on the turbo manifold. But if that doesn't show up, we still got the van that we got to get back, and I don't know, just make it a new daily driver, because right now I literally have no wheels. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I'll catch you guys in the next one, with whatever we do and whenever it comes out. But I'm just super excited to get this turbo on. I've been wanting to do it since I bought the car. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so you don't miss any of the upcoming turbo content.